felt lost in translation while piloting your rockets in Spaceflight Simulator? Let's fix that and unlock a universe of understanding. First things first, from the main menu, locate and tap on the gear icon. This is your gateway to all the game settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scan down the list until you find the language option. It's usually pretty prominent. Tap on language and you'll be presented with the whole spectrum of choices from English to Espanol, French section Eyes to Deutsch, and many others depending on your game version. Browse through the list and select the language that helps you build and launch with confidence. You'll likely see a confirmation prompt asking if you want to apply the changes. Confirm your selection. The game might need a quick restart to fully implement the language change across all menus, tutorials, and in-game text. And just like that, your Spaceflight Simulator experience is now in your preferred language. You can now dive into tutorials and mission briefings with crystal clear comprehension. This simple tweak makes understanding your telemetry, mission objectives, and even the helpful advice in tutorials so much easier, leading to more successful flights and a lot more fun. So go ahead, change your language, and reach for the stars with a better understanding than ever before. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Spaceflight Simulator know-how.